all the time the topics are evolving, right? So big time sustainability is important. So we keep talking about that. We keep learning and developing. So it's a good time to share with other companies and see different things. So learn a little bit. So it's the way that we come back.
I think it's a great opportunity to be here and sharing and getting to know, different people, suppliers, and making strong our networking. It's always good and also inspiring to see the different presentation that has been prepared. So it's always set the ground in order to have insightful conversations. So yeah, this is why I decided to come back.
I think the past one I attended was in March, and it was my first time. I should say it was a very good experience. It was an extremely well set place. The whole event was extremely well organized. Let's say that was the biggest impression that I got from the first time. And when I got a chance to attend again, I just had to manage my schedule, but I wanted to make it. Let's put it that way.